Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Slack app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on preferences, click on it here. You just click on preferences, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Come here to optimize video uploads. Just click in this sign here. Now, like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here optimize video uploads enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.